Welcome back to Deltarune. Oh, we're just continuing this. Oh wait, no, I can't go that way. Look there. We saw all of our beds replaced with treasure. Peaceful light now. Contain the beast that was tormenting us. Beast? What beast? Wow. I don't remember this scene being so calm. I might have just been insane. Oh, club sandwich. Maybe this way? So the worms decide to crawl out and play. Who's there? Yeah, those fools! I am Rules Card! Thou greatest adversary! Thou may have claws past all thou otherest conundrums, but thou were created by utter weaklings! Now prepare thyself for the strongest puzzle of thou's life! Toil worms! God! Damn it! Ooh, let's go! Rules card is so cool. Were they blue? And hell no.
Oh, Susie. Oh, Susie. It's okay if you don't know how.
What? Shut up, that's not the problem.
Are you sure?
Alright, look, wise guy, I'll show you, watch this. So, come here, often. Head happy felt awkward and left. Hey, get back here and let me flirt with you. What? That's not fair! I don't have any... I suppose it can't, if it can't be helped. Heffy, your beauty is just transcendent. Your hair is like a waterfall of... Wait, do you have hair or... I feel awkward and left. Oh dear. Wait! No! Not so easy, huh? Oh, I'm a voice actor. Oh wow. What? Oh my god, Chris, I can't. Do it yourself. You said some sweet lines. The enemies were deeply enamoured. Let's go! They call me Lord O'Flirt. They don't. Nobody calls me that. Our room. I have they sold all the gems placed with beds. Queens. Ooh, Bed Inspector. Oh, I don't even have to fight them again. Let's go. What even are these things? Oh, I'm doing this with my right hand. What? Are you through? Yes. Helps. I wonder who I'm going to see again. Those guys really think that was all I had. Wrong! With an E on the end. It's time for you to feel my real, with an E on the end, power, with an E on the end. Behold my ultimate puzzle. How about you? I don't know what to do. Yeah! Face the true strongest puzzle, worms. This time, the difficulty art magnitudes grander. See thou in 100 years, thou feeble insects. Damn. Gullible worms. That wasn't really my ultimate puzzle. I have a waste better. One right here. Can we see it? Can we see it? No. Revivement. That's what I'd see. Oh. 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 I'm not reading all this. I can't do 3 different voices. Come on. That we already know. In chapter 2, we might get some guests on. You know, to voice some of these characters. Because remember, I have the vocal range of a wet sponge. From the first party, remember? There's DPS, Dance Party soundtrack. That's pretty cool. Person. It's pretty cool. Let's go with it. Oh, I can. Cool beans, cool beans. Shop. Welcome! Oh, welcome to my shop, you ungrateful worms. Rules. Brave axe. Nice. Any scar. Yeah, why would I want that? Yeah. Oh, what is thine interest? With an E on the end. About yourself. I am the Duke of Puzzles rules card. My hobbies include calligraphy, law keeping, bug keeping, cages, and long walks in the dungeon. Artist thou one of my admirers, worm? Why sell to us? So I might amass funds, worms, an army of funds, so that I may crushest thou like fermented grapes into a most delicious and adult beverage. Wait, they call us worms, eh? That guy right there, rules card, the mighty rules card, calls us this. But why's he got worm? You can't see, but there's a. I'm pointing at the screen, loading dramatically. Pointing at the worm. Why's he got worms in a jar? You know. Vengeance! Is that why you got worms? Oh, how I amuse myself. Nope. We don't ask anything about the worms. Okay. The king. Oh Lord! With an E at the end. King, art a cruel and terrifying monarch. With an E at the end. And also spelled wrong. However, he is also brilliant for his decideth who appoints me as Duke of Puzzles after pretty much everyone else was fired or placed inside a cage. Truly a benevolent ruler. King's son. His son, on the other hand, is more troublesome than a fistful of fleas. He always asks me the worst queries, and calleth me his lesser dad. Our relation is none, you little water beetle. I placate you for your father's sake. I do not wish to hear your MP3s. I would rather listen to the sweet song of death. Ellipsis. How is he, anyhow? Oh, let's get out of there. See thou the dungeon worms. What? How rude. Or is this who I think it is? The hole. Hey, Rippers. Yep. Oh. Seeing it from it? Is it from there? Bicycle is lovingly tucked into bed. Nice. Enough worms! Oh, here he is! It's Wolf's guard! Look at him! Thou may have cheated through mine puzzles, but in combat thou shalt be scattered about. Come, knaves, prepare for a battle with whatever this is! Oh,
huh? It's the enemy from earlier, but its crown looks different.
Yes, with my control crown, with an E on the end, I may control any dish-shaped life form, with an E on the end.
Oh no! It looks like it's in pain!
It looks the same. Yes, the control crown is painful, but I'm certain this creature will feeleth relief when it sees how much more pain thou be in. Whoa. Let's bow. I didn't do anything. How can we push off that crown? Guy's tough now. He's not really. I'm gonna say, oh god. 18%, yo, that's pretty solid.
Susie, you want to act?
Oh, what's your idea? Well, how do I say this? I kind of need you for this one.
That's fine, Susie. I'll help. You want to apologise to it for earlier, right?
Nah, I just need you to stay still. Chris, we got to get that crown off its head. Help me throw Rousey at it. Fire! Oh, okay, I'm not. Oh, what? I'm losing a little. Yeah. Oh! Oh, dearie me. Oh, damn. Oh. 93% loose, that's pretty cool. Kaboom. Kaboom. Go! We saved them. Why, brilliant! Just brilliant! I knew you could do it! Thou great heroes, thou! Thou seest that was merely a friendly test of thine abilities, but thou hast won, and now nothing blocks thine path. I, personally, could not be less of an obstruction. You just, luck be with you, heroes! Our rules card's so cool. He's not evil in any way. That kindness. Riches is shine with avarice. I don't know that word. It's a throne. It seems to have been damaged in a struggle. Riches. What do you mean a struggle? I know this one. Hey, there's Lancer. Father! Lancer, my son, have you dispatched the Lightners as I commanded?
No, but I did even better. It turns out we don't actually have to fight them. They said they could just talk to you and...
They're alive?
Yeah, and I think I like them a lot. There's Susie. She's very purple and strong, and...
Where are they now? Hey.
It's nice to meet you.
Lancer, my son.
Yes, Father?
Do you remember what I told you?
Don't get too attached.
You have failed. They have poisoned you with their sentimentality. Free yourself, Lancer. They cared not for you. Their only goal is to destroy our glorious fountain. They are scum.
No, they aren't.
What did you say? Let him go. You want me to let him go? Then how about this? I'll drop him off the edge and let him splatter, unless you all kneel and learn your place. What will it be, Lightners?
Don't listen to him, Susie. He'll...
Now watch, Lancer. See what happens when you befriend Lightners. What the? You traitor. Come back here. Alright. Enough already. Who the hell do you think you are? To my people, I am a hero. To you, I'm the bad guy!
Silence, Lightbringer! Your very existence goes against our own. By the Knight's will, I shall shatter your heart to pieces.
Your ways changing. Talk became courage. That's pretty cool.
How dare you come here, Lightners?
Oh, I just walked right into that. I could survive that. I just thought Jevil. I shouldn't be failing this. Reason with the king. Alright. Listen up. Lancer's my friend. So if we get by without hurting you, then if I perish, so be it. Show my son the monster you really are. Alright. You want to see what I can do, huh? These words changing. Red Buster. You left us in the shadows, stripped of meaning. Okay. I gotta get good. Oh, look how good I am. I'm good. I'm tall. Go to reason with the king.
You might not realise it, but this is a world where you don't have to fight. I know if we try, we can all find another way.
Such a simple-minded
Platitudes!
A shame you will not live to realise your
Naivety! Because I'm evil!
Now perish with the pathetic Lightners you worship.
I'm such a goofy goober. Sorry, my friends and I aren't going anywhere.
Rise's words changing. Dual heal. Let's go. Be gone. We have found fresh purpose. Ooh. Oh god. Ooh. The night has appeared. Oh dear. There we go. The night that pulls the fountains from the earth. Cool beans. Holy fountains whose shadows are created a new world. Our world. Ow. Ow. What am I doing? I need to lock in. Oh, King's Mouse babble indecipherably.
That's me, because I'm the bottom mouth.
Actually, no. The top mouth is the one with the tongue out. So maybe it's the bottom one. Maybe the bottom one's the deep, awesome, cool voice. Do you see our new purpose? Oh, do you... Oh, yeah. I did my best. What's this one's about? You have to move less. Let's see how this one. Soon this world shall be blanketed in darkness, and darkness shall rule it. Hey, hold on, that's just the first attack. Then you may see what it is like to live in despair. Actually, don't they both have their tongues out? Now, enough talk! Fall before the chain of justice! It doesn't really work if you're just going around the same place. You're quite strong, aren't you? I haven't hit you once. What are you on about? Oh, shit then. If I keep fighting you like this, then... it seems that... Honestly, when I first actually played this game on the Switch, I thought this guy was just like Asgore and you had to fight him. But I actually recently learned that you don't have to. My knight, I shall not fail you. Who is this knight? Let's go.
Enough is enough. I see that I cannot defeat you. I have grown exhausted from our long battle. Oh, there goes my clothes. Oh, Lighteners, perhaps I have been too cruel. The truth is, I was not always this way. There once was a time where darkness and lightness lived in harmony. A time where darkness could fulfill their purpose in peace. It would be a lie to say that I too do not yearn for those days. I yearn for the lightness. Oh, my stomach really hurts. Perhaps the young ones were right. Please, let us put away our weapons. There must be a peaceful solution to all this.
Come now, Susie. I'm glad you're starting to realise, Mr. King. None of us really want to fight. If you could just tell us about your worries, I'm sure we can all be friends, Mr. King.
Yes. Friends. That sounds lovely. My apologies, I'm not used to it, fighting like that. My body is getting weak.
Oh, don't say another word. You've been healed. See, I'm literally Ralsei, the healer. There, you should all be healed up. How do you feel?
Let's see.
Never better.
You...
Did I say you could get up?
Chris?
Oh, spare me the heroics. You're the leader, aren't you? So, what's your plan? to laugh as you cast us all back into obscurity. You can't even say. Young one, let me tell you a secret. Quiet people. Make me really angry.
Because I can't say that.
I just ruined that moment. Hey, get away from my friend. Or what? You'll kill me? Nah. So what's your plan then? To talk me to death? You stupid lightner. You honestly think you have any way to convince me not to kill you? Nah. But they might. Who are those guys at the bottom? Lancer? Everyone? What is the meaning of this?
Sorry, Dad, you're being overthrown! Haha, what for? When I told everyone who were fighting the Lightners, everyone remembered how kind they were. They decided they'd rather have a king that accepts them. Me? Oh, me! Now I'm the dad! Haha!
You idiots, the Lightners are your enemies. Fools! I'll kill you. I'll kill all of you.
Yikes! I think someone needs a timeout. Go to your room, Dad.
No! Not the naughty step. You're right, Chris. We did it. The power of friendship.
Chris! Susie! Oh, you're all right.
Yeah, it would take more than that to take us down.
Chris, Susie, I'm sorry. Because I healed the king. We almost... Susie, you were right. I was foolish to think we could act so soft to everyone. This isn't a world where kindness always wins, is it?
It's complicated. Yeah, sometimes there are people you just gotta fight. But if you never let your guard down, then you might just hurt someone you care about.
Aw, Susie, you're beginning to sound like a real hero.
Yeah, don't get used to it. Because I'm evil.
Then I suppose you and Chris should return home now.
Yeah, I guess that's right, huh? Well, see ya. Hey, Chris. Wait a second. Look. I know you want to give a real goodbye to everyone, right? I mean, I'm all for leaving right away, but, you know, we could go back a sec if you wanted. Yeah, right. Well, what are we waiting for? Let's head back.
Chris, Susie, you came back?
Well, Chris just wanted to say bye, you know?
Oh, actually, everyone here wanted to say goodbye too. Please let me know when you leave, alright?
Yeah, we'll try not to skip you.
Chris, Susie, are you leaving?
No, we have to talk to Lance first. Oh! I've got a lot of... Way to go, kids! Now we can go back to making the puzzles we love. And thanks to your donation, I could buy a new hat and some shaving cream. I don't remember what these guys... Best, you're the best. I know I'm the best. Honestly, we love you. You're absolutely amazing.
Great work.
Thank you, I can go back to being a coat hanger. I knew you were a coat hanger! Even a little ball could say something like thank you. Darn, Horsey. You've been done us a big help. Now all of us pieces can live in pieces. You did it! You ousted that rotten tyrant! I'll happily accept a bounty of credit for my contributions unless the king reappears, in which case I did nothing. Wonderful work, mine amigos! I just realised those two have really similar voices. I've tried to do the same thing. Thou hast toppled The tyrant freed us, our creedus truly, history shall not forget. The tale of Rules Card and the 3 heroes. Yeah, nobody knows who you are. Oh, I've got to go through all of these guys. No. I can't remember the voice. I knew you could do it. That was your enemy. I was cheering for you. So much I dislike my job. Looks sweet. It's a pile of bees puke. Oh, lovely. Aww, how sweet. Let's sit through everything. We're being freed. Oh, just in case. What about us? Are we gonna do stuff? Nope. Yeah, if the kings stay in the cages as well. Put on animal ears and noses. That's pretty cool. Mamma mia! What a celebration! This calls for cake, and this time I'll make it out of metal so animals can't eat it. Because you rescued it, would you respect you? Well, actually, maybe it shrunk to respect you. Ha! Sweet. I'll be honest, at first we weren't sure who to make our new king. I mean, Lancer has always been a bit of a pain, but after seeing how nice he treats you guys, I think he'll be fine. Vivi! Blue Pepper! Whose name I neglected to learn all along? I thought you were going homeways. We were, but Chris wanted to say bye, you know? Oh, Vivi! Oh, that's funny! I thought you wanted to say bye because we're friends. Huh? I mean, I didn't not want to. So you're the king now, huh? Yes, but I'm facing some big rules. First likeness are now legal. Second prison is now only for Dad. Sounds like some pretty good changes. Hey, your dad was protecting the fountain, right? Is it going to be okay if we mess with it? I have no idea, but it's you guys, so I trust you. If something bad happens, we'll fix it out. Yeah, guess we'll just see, I guess. Well, see you later. I'm back soon! I've always been in town for a couple of clowns. Woohoo! Let's get out of here. I knew that guy was a coat hanger. Chris, Susie, are you leaving? Hell if I know, I'm just following Chris. Guess we'll just walk to the right if we are. Susie, Chris, you going to leave? I just wanted to say, I really enjoyed meeting you two, and... Hey, can you stop mumbling into your hat for a sec? I can barely hear you, dude. Oh, I'm sorry. Chris, Susie, my hat was muffling my voice, I'm sorry. I hope I can see you again soon. Oh, I'm a pub geezer. I'm a pub geezer in disguise. I've just got glasses on, because I'm a pub geezer. Next time I'll make you lots of yummy cakes, alright? Question mark. Yeah, sure, dude. I wasn't expecting you to have a pub geezer voice. Let's go, Chris. Don't take too long. I need you guys. I'm all alone. I'm a pub geezer. Oh, this one. This one's... Is this the fountain? Question mark. Don't know how, but it feels like we stumbled into something really important, didn't we? Ellipsis. Well, there's no time to think about that now. Right now, ellipsis. It's time to go home. Right, Chris? As you stood in front of the fountain, you felt... Oh god. You felt something strange. It was as if your very soul was glowing.
Oh, my heart did a thing. My heart. Because that was my heart. It did a beat, because his heart is a... What happened? I can't see anything. Hey, watch it. Huh? The unused classroom. How do we get here?
Hey Chris, what just happened? Like, that wasn't a dream or anything, was it? Anyway, as I was saying, let's just tell Alphys we couldn't find any chalk. Man, the sun's already setting. Everyone else must have gone home by now. Guess Alphys will know better than to ask us next time, huh? Well, guess we should go. See you later, I guess. Chris? Let's go back there tomorrow, alright? She's got a smile on her face. That's so awesome and wholesome and cool. Always got to explore around. It was turned off. Everything felt peaceful for a moment. Bunch of roses. Good quotes. Why am I running around so fast? Why couldn't I run this fast in the other place? Because I remember this one. You know. Throne of the Gods. You know, back in the day, I used to sit on that. That used to be my chair. And anyone that knew me who says otherwise, who says that wasn't just my everyday chair, is actually a liar. If there's anyone in the comments says that wasn't my everyday chair, they're actually a liar and you shouldn't trust them ever because they're evil. I think I'm not even going to leave. I'm going to leave you guys on a cliffhanger because I'm actually going to leave the extra end bit for the next video. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye. Make sure to subscribe. Got 'em.